Anusha, back to you with a new video. So if you like our video, please share to your friends, subscribe and don't forget to click on bell icon. So let's start our video now. See, so many I have told you on previous videos about traditional method of solving, like step by step wise, and in the next video I said metals, non-metals, oxygen, hydrogen, metals, non-metals. Okay, more than that, the big equation is given. There is a trick with me with which you can do it in seconds. Let it be any problem, you can do it in seconds. So let me discuss that, and I hope you'll, after this session, you'll do in a better way the chemical balancing and no confusion, nothing. 100% result you are going to get, no confusion also. So let's go. That method is nothing but ABCD method. What method? ABCD. What is this ABCD? What is this ABCD? We'll learn here. See, the first example, NH3 plus NH3 plus O2 will give rise to NO plus H2O. NO plus H2O. Which method we are going to? Traditional? No. Metal non-metals? No. A new method. So before this, ABCD method means before this, each and every molecule you are supposed to write here. A. Element before elements. B. C, D, you have to write here. So what you will do after writing this? See, N is there. N is there. This side. A. Nothing is there, isn't it? 1. It is 1. A into 1. A. N, regarding N I am writing. A into 1. A. Here N is there? No. Here N is there? Yes. Is equal to 1 into C. C. 1 into C. C. So let's go with oxygen. What happens? Metals on method. What will we do? Oxygen we will take. Here oxygen not there. 2 into B. 2 into B. Subscript into this coefficient. 2B. Here. Where is oxygen? Here it is, sir. C into 1, C, plus D into 1, D. Next, hydrogen, 3 into A, 3A. Reactant side, that side, na equal to that side. How many hydrogens are there? 2 into D, 2D. Understood, I hope. See, first you need to write A, B, C, D. First you need to write A, B, C, D. Before each and every element you are supposed to write. Next, 1 into A. Here N is not there. Regarding N we are writing. N into 1 into A. C, B not there. C into 1, C into 1, C. Then D not there. O, oxygen, here not there. Here it is. 2 into B, 2B. As it is that side, left hand side, C. 1 into C, plus 1 into D. Equal to no need. In the middle plus is there. It yields to. Means you are supposed to. See. Here, hydrogens. 3 into A, 3A is equal to 2 into D. Here no oxygen, hydrogens. 2 into D. After writing this, one of the ABCD you are going to take it as 1. I am going to take A is equal to 1. Substituting this, if A is equal to 1, 1 is equal to C. Then C is equal to 1. Then if I put where? Here I will put. So that I will get D. A is what? 1. Put it here. Here you put it. 3 into 1 plus 2 into D is equal to or plus? Is equal to. So 3 by 2 is equal to D. So I got D value also. How much D value? 3 by 2. Then A, C, D I got. B I should get. Here I will substitute. Here. 2 into, we don't know, C1, D 3 by 2. So what should you do? B. As it is plus, you are not supposed to into. Do 2. 2 plus 3, 5 by 2. Here 2 no. B is equal to 5 by 4. B is equal to how much? 5 by 4. Isn't it? 2B is equal to C plus D. 2 into D is equal to 1 plus 3 by 2. 2 will be the LCM. 2 plus 3. 5 by 2. 12 by 4. Then all the values I got. A, B, C, D. Values I got it. Now put it in this. I need to rub this and put it in this. Plus H2O. Now A 1, B 5 by 4. B is 5 by 4. Next step. C 1, D. Here no D. How much H2O I will write? How much D? 3 by 2. 3 by 2 H2O. Oh, I got in fraction form. So what shall I do now? Here 3 by 2 only, no? Yes, 3 by 2 only we are going to get. Now, fractional form you are going to get it. Then what shall I do? I need to multiply. With what shall I multiply? Multiply with 2 first. 2 in H3 plus 5 by 2 O2 gives rise to NO plus 3H2O. Multiply whole with the 2. Then you are going to get this. Then you are going to get this. Again, here 2 is there. Again multiply with the 2. 2 is 4. 4 and H3 plus 10 O2 gives rise to 2. Here also 2, no? You know, right here 2. Yeah. Now 4 NO plus 6 H2O. 6 H2O. Now I balance. And 4 done. Next, what it is there? Oxygen. 10 2s 20. 10 2s 20. Here, oxygen. If I multiply here with the 2, it becomes 5, no? Here with the 2, if I multiply, it becomes 5. Yeah, from nitrogen, 4. 4. Again, 5 2s 10. Now, 4 plus 6 10. Now, 4 3 is 12. Oxygen. Here, oxygen, hydrogen. 4 3 is 12. Here 6 2 is 12. And this is the balanced equation. Once again I am going to tell. Once again I am going to explain. Please listen. Please listen. See. I have first, I got this ABCD method I have done. So I got this. So into 2 if I multiply, I can remove this. Isn't it? So into 2 I have multiplied. So 2 into 2. 2 into this. 2. This into 2. So 2 ones to 2s. 5 by 2 or 2. Here 2. 2 and O. Here 2 get cancelled. 3 has 2. Again 2 is there. Again multiply with the 2. So what happens? 2 2 is 4. NH3 plus 5 by 2 into 2. 2 2 get cancelled. 5 O2 plus 2 2s are 4 and O plus 6 H2O. 6 H2O. Then I hope you understood. Everything is balanced here. See 4 and 4 and no, and here no. Oxygen 5 2 is 10. Oxygen 4 1 is 4 plus 6 1 6. 4 plus 6 10. Next 4 3 is 12. Here 6 2 is 12, balanced, isn't it? So in this easy way, you can solve this. Next in ABCD method for the next example.